It's incredible that when we've got so much smart technology, we've got our mobile phones, we've got GPS, we can find anything anywhere in the world, we've actually lost a plane with all those souls on board.
So how do you find a missing plane? The first method is by tracking from the ground using radar. A key missing link: our reliance on technology with limitations. Flight 370 vanishes from air traffic control radar screens as its transponder is deactivated, less than an hour into its flight, and just 2 minutes after the co-pilot has said goodnight. The military who use primary radar that doesn't rely on a transponder are still able to track the plane. But after 90 minutes, they too lose sight.
Looking at primary radar, it has limitations. It perhaps has a range of 100, 120 miles at the sort of level that the airplane was at. So it's of limited value.
Malaysian military radar plotted an unidentified object, later assumed to be Flight 370, at a point south of Phuket. Thai military radar logs also confirmed the plane turned west.
The thing that has scuppered us is the lack of ground stations. So we have coverage a few hundred miles out from the shore, but actually, in general, we're not covering large areas of sea where this aircraft seems to have gone.
So as Flight 370 drops off all radar, is anyone watching? And if so, who?